Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical engineers. So name of the company is Mahindra. So I will be giving the link in the description. Once you click the link, you can be directed to the official website of Mahindra. If not also, if you type Mahindra and Mahindra in Google and if you give a search means and then you have to go to career opportunities and then you will be coming back to this official website. So next in the right part of the portion there will be three dots. Okay, so if you scroll down further you will be able to see a icon called search jobs. Okay, so you have to click on the icon search jobs. Next thing is once you click on the icon search job it will be directed further and you can see various results. Okay, see for deputy manager, FMEA, manager product development, like that you will be having many job posting uploaded in the first page. When you have to scroll back and see the topmost portion, so there will be various pages, right? Out of that you have to click second page. Okay, if you click second page you will be directed to this page. Okay, next is there you can see the manager quality planning and engineer and manager embedded system and all. Today we are going to see a job opportunity of an engineer. Okay, next is it will be an automotive sector, so mechanical and automobile engineers can apply for it. They have been posted this job on 19 November 2021. Location will be in India only. They haven't mentioned clearly, and the company name is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. So if you want to work in Mahindra, you can apply for it. But I think so that freshers can apply for this job, and you will be requiring 3.5 years experience. So let us see what are the do's and don'ts and what are the key areas which they expect from us. Design, you need to understand and know the design of commercial vehicle transmission, and hands-on experience in CAD is must. You should be able to make 3D concept drawing and conduct DMU and interface study. You must support the proto team, validation team and supplier and manufacturing, and you must provide the technical support and the system analysis for the root cause analysis of the development issues. So these are things which they are expecting from you. And most importantly is you must have an experience of 3 to 5 years. Okay, so experience they consider, so kindly freshers can apply for this job. And basic qualification is BE mechanical is more than enough. And what are other requirements is working knowledge of engineering, and should be well versed in product development process, should have good knowledge on concern resolution process, should have knowledge and exposure to reliability engineering. So these are the stuff which they expect from you, and kindly if you fit to above said uh, requirements, then you can readily go and apply for this job. And job segments will be basically on CAD drafting and automotive engineers. So who want to express their extend their working nature in such a area can go and apply for this job. And rightmost portion you can see an icon called apply now. So if you click the apply now, you will be directed to this page and you need to enter the mail ID and password. Okay, if you already registered means directly type your mail ID and password. If this is the first time means then you need to create an account. You need to create an account means you need to type your name, mail ID and your address and everything. And if you scroll down you have to click on I'm not a robot and then create an account. So after creating an account you can apply for this job. If you feel this video is useful means kindly share the video to mechanical engineers and do subscribe our channel. We will be uploading all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.